Loki?
Ano yan?
Baboy?
Manok yan lahat.
Okay, kuha lang ako ng isa. Pero kung iniisip ko kami, ay maraming salamat.
Siyempre, marami tayo. Yung alamunan eh.
Hindi, sumama ka sa amin sa Sabado sa August 23. Alam mo kung bakit?
23?
Kami ng tacos. Tacos with S ba?
Guys are always eating.
There's some
Why are you
free.
not 300
They are
pounds?
all free.
I know, right?
Food is
I know,
life.
but you're always, it seems like you'd be really heavy and you're not. You're skinny.
It's okay, that's
You're
true.
always, you're
Skinny?
always like skinny. So I say, oh, wow, Lily, what is your secret? Share the secret. So.
No, you always eat carbs, right?
Yeah, I eat a lot of carbs.
Galing tuloy kay Imelda, dahil dahil ni Imelda.
Hmm?
Meron tayong tour na naman. Judith na naman. Judith naman to, hindi Judy.
Kaya nga sabi ng mga puti, ano daw tayo, kain ng kain. Hindi daw tayo tumataba.